Welcome to our new channel. In this video, we will talk about top 10 coins to invest in 2021-22, which will give you multi-bagger returns in upcoming months. Make sure this is just a advice based on technical analysis and fundamentals. So let's start. Number 10 comes is ISEC RLC. It is currently at a evaluation of 5.44 US dollars. Its all-time high is 16.26 US dollar. Basically, it is made up of computing resources providers and has different algorithms, which makes it different from the other altcoins. It supports emerging class of blockchain, and its all-time high as discussed is 16.26, and its total supply is 87 million, and its circulating supply is 80.071 million. On number list में number 9 पे आता है Polygon Matic, which is also called Matic. It is an Indian token based on Indian community. It supports decentralized finance, which is also known as DeFi. So upcoming years में DeFi का बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होने वाला है. And it is also based on Ethereum scaling project, Plasma framework, and it supports proof of stake algorithm. तो इसकी जो सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई है वो है 6.504 बिलियन एंड मैक्सिमम सप्लाई जो है वो है 10 बिलियन. तो जैसे जैसे इसकी सप्लाई कम होगी वैसे वैसे इसका डिमांड एंड प्राइस में इफेक्ट आएगा. तो इसका ऑल टाइम हाई है 205 रुपीज विच वॉज अचीव्ड इन अराउंड May April 2021 and in December, and it is predicted as $3.5. Number 8 comes is KSM or Kosama. Its all-time high is US dollar 623.75 and its rank is 43 in the market. It is basically famous for its parachain auction. जैसा कि आप इसके प्राइस में हाइक देख सकते हैं 417 एंड 7% की इसकी हाइक है अभी. तो इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ पैराचेन ऑक्शन, जो कि अभी 2 मंथ्स रह गए हैं इसके पैराचेन ऑक्शन में, एंड जैसे जैसे ऑक्शन पास आएगी जैसे वैसे वैसे ही इसका रेट में जो है इंक्रीमेंट आता रहेगा. On our list, on number 7 comes this Aave. It has a mechanism of lending and borrowing of crypto. It is currently trading at US dollar 401. Its all-time high is US dollar 670 and its total supply is 16 million and its market dominance is 0.624% and which will rise in upcoming years. It is very good project based on the mechanism of lending and borrowing of crypto. On our list, on number 6 comes is Litecoin. It is a beta version of Bitcoin and it works on the mechanism of Bitcoin. So its circulating supply is around 66 million and its all-time high is 412.96 US dollars, which is quite more than the range, which is nearly about 3 times the range of the current evaluation. Its market rank is 16th and market dominance is 0.56%, which is expected to raise at a higher level and a higher speed till the end of December 2021. On our list, on number 5 comes this internet computer. It was developed by Dfinity Foundation and its debut price was $731, which is equivalent to 57,000 rupees. It is meant to be a competitor of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Its market cap is 10.354 billion and its circulating supply is 157.14 million. On our list, on number 4 comes is Ripple. It is also pronounced as XRP in the market. It is currently at the evaluation of $1.27. Its all-time high is $3.84 and it works on the proof of work algorithm, which is nearly about like a Bitcoin. On our list, on number 3 comes is Ethereum. Its white paper was formed by Vitalik Buterin. It was launched in July 30, 2015. Its total supply is 117.36 million, and its all-time high is $4,400, which is equivalent to 3,40,000 rupees. It is currently trading at $3,890 US dollars, which is equivalent to around 2,90,000. It is expected to reach at the price of 6,000 US dollars till the end of December 2021. On our list, on number 2 comes is ADA, which is also known as Cardano. Its all-time high is $3.099 US dollars, which is achieved recently. Only you can see it on our graph, and it works on proof of stake algorithm, and it is a competitor and compared with Ethereum and BTC. Its total supply is 33.096 billion, and its circulating supply is 32.014 billion ADA, and its market dominance is quite healthy, which is 4.22%, and it is expected to reach $10 till December 2021. On our list, on number 1 comes this WRX or Binance token. Binance token is currently trading at 490 US dollars, and its all-time high is 690 US dollars, and its total supply is 168 million BNB, and its market rank is at the 4th. So it is expected to break its all-time high in the bull run which is coming in the near about December 2021. Not only this, let me show you of WRX token. WRX token is undervalued at 1.47 US dollars. Its all-time high is near about $6, which was in the month of April. So it has a quarterly burn, which increases its demand and prices. And so it is expected to be a $10 US dollar evaluation by the end of December 2021. So its decentralized exchange is also coming, through which we can see hike in the prices. And also it is acquired by BNB, which is a reputed brand and or a global exchange. So we can see minimum of $10 at the end of December 2021. So it is a multi-bagger return coin. So we can invest in this properly.